is it not doing it? There's a good one. And then you can do it on your own with a little water bottle. Swirl it around, take off the top, put a little hairspray in it, put the top back on, and you squeeze it, you let go, squeeze it, let go, squeeze it, let go. You should be able to see fog or a cloud form inside the bottle. And you can even squeeze it out of the bottle and see the cloud float out. Have fun!